Welcome back to my morning report charts appraisals on Thursday the 25th of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets. Moving on to cable, and cable probably is actually the only forex major with any real concept of trend at the moment. All the others are basically moving sideways. Cable has over the last few weeks, months even, has been trending quite consistently. You've got a nice strong trend that in April, followed by a retracement, nice strong trend in May, followed by a strong retracement, nice strong trend in June. Are we now in the process of a considerable retracement? It's possible, because we have got, just quickly on the hourly chart, this is the hourly chart, and we've got this top pattern in place below 58 figure. Top pattern actually implied, let's say minimum sort of 50, take that as 110 ticks, maximum downside measuring at 130 ticks. So that would give you between sort of 156.70, 156.90, something like that, of downside. And what we've seen is 156.66 on my writer's chart. So that top pattern has now played out, and you're now looking for the next signal. But what I find interesting with this is that you have had this pull back to the neckline that hit 58 figure pretty much to the pip before falling away. So that is a big resistance. That old support of this neckline has become new resistance. We've also got in place the fact that the moving averages on the hourly chart are all rolled over, falling away. So the 55-hour moving average, which I zoom out, had been a base of support, this red line. 55-hour moving average has now become the base of resistance. That's basically where we've found a rally high towards 57.35 today. That comes in, or certainly at the moment anyway, and that's consistently falling away now. So the fact is that the momentum indicators on the hourly chart are also taking on more of a corrective configuration. MACD lines below neutral, RSI falling back towards 30. So the pressure is to the downside. I spoke about in my morning report this, let me just zoom out and get that, 57 old support around 57 from this 17th of June intraday low, and that is sort of providing a bit of a resistance area, because that provided support on the 23rd, but then, which was that Tuesday, and it's now become sort of a resistance area. So if it starts to fall away, you'd say that that is building once again as your resistance. So you've got your resistance, big resistance at 58 figure, and then your sort of resistance area around 57 figure. So if it does start to fall back below that 56.66, it'll be interesting, because certainly the initial, I'm taking my resistance levels on my chart as the sort of old support, the support levels from the old supports left from this big uptrend. So that's 57, so 56.50, and sort of that breakout high 56 figure. Couple of levels there, but it certainly looks like the pressure is still going on the downside. We've had 3 consecutive negative candles, bit of a doji at the moment, no real direction yet today, but certainly stochastics have given a sell signal on the daily chart. RSI still falling away, MACD line's close to rolling over as well. So you'd say it's more corrective on this cable chart than it has been, and certainly in the last few weeks. So potential for further correction in this chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.